everyone, we are doing a strength training workout. We are doing a body pump workout. So we will not be requiring any equipments. We'll just need one towel and dumbbells, a pair of dumbbells. If you don't have any dumbbells, you can just fill water in some bottles and just use them. This workout will help you build lean muscle, will help you build strength, stamina and your flexibility, okay? So hope you all are ready and you're going to join us, you're going to work out with us, and we are just going to start. I'll just explain the workout to you. The workout we'll try to keep the workout 30 to 40 minutes. So we'll start with a quick warm up of 5 minutes, and then we will do the whole workout. So in the workout there will be 5 rounds of exercises, okay? And there'll be 5 rounds, and in each round there'll be 5 exercises of 30 seconds. And after every round we're gonna take a 1 minute break. If all this sounds very confusing to you, don't worry, just follow us along. Okay, so today you are going to be following Yusuf Bhai, okay? And just follow with him, and if you have any language barriers, you cannot understand what I'm saying, so don't worry about that, just follow him, okay? So hope you're all ready to join us, okay? So let us start. We'll start with a quick warm-up, okay? And let's go. Start with the warm-up. Hope you're nice and ready. Let's go. Go. Just follow him. Just start with your warm-up. Jog in your place, okay? From everybody, from beginners to advanced, kids, women, men, everybody can join this workout, okay? It will get difficult and you will see. You'll burn some serious calories with this. Just jog in your place. You need to get all nice and warm before we start the workout, okay? And stop and let's do jumping jacks. Come on, 10 jumping jacks, okay? Go. Showing a bunch of modifications, so you can let us know in the comment section and we'll just show the modifications of that as well, okay? And jog in your place again. Jog, 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 jog. Keep breathing, breathing, breathing. Okay, now you're going to do a squat and an overhead raise, okay? So squat and raise, okay? So go squat, exhale, okay? Exhale. The jump is optional, okay? So if you don't want to jump, you can just avoid the jump and just raise your arms, okay? Exhale. So as it is going down, he's inhaling and exhaling. Inhale. When you're lowering, so you really need to squeeze your glutes and then exhale. Just give me 2 more. And 1 more. And hope you guys are doing this with us and not just watching, okay? And again, jog in your place. Jog, 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 jog. Okay, you're doing it with us. Don't just watch this. Do it. Get up. Do it with us. Okay? Jog, jog. Okay, now you're gonna shuffle 3 to the right, 3 to the left. All right? 3, 2, 1, go. Start. 1, 2, 3, and switch. 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 You can make this more intense by jumping on either end, so you can make this easier by just doing what he's doing. Okay? Few more seconds. The warm-up will just be about 5 minutes, okay? You have to make sure that all the time you're inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, okay? Because if you're breathing correctly, you'll be able to do the whole workout with us. Just give me 2 more. 1 and 1 more. And again, jog in your place. Jog in your place. Jog, 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 okay? Jog. Breathe, breathe. By this time your heart rate should be a little up and you should be a little out of breath. Not totally, but a little, okay? And again, give me 10 jumping jacks, okay? So breathe. 3, 2, go. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Give me 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And jog again. Jog, jog. Again, you're going to go 3 on the right, 3 on the left, okay? So 3, 2, 1, start. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, okay? Make sure you're inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Okay, few more seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and again jog in your place. Jog, 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 jog. Breathe, breathe, breathe. He is a little out of breath and so you should be too, okay? Just a few more seconds for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax and breathe and breathe. And we'll just take a quick 30 seconds break. That was it. That was a warm up. Just take a quick 30 seconds break. Get some water and we'll start. Okay. So again, I'll just explain the workout to you. We'll be doing five groups of exercises. Each group has 5 exercises, and each exercise is 30 seconds. Okay. And this might sound all too confusing. Just follow it. Okay. And it's a full body workout. So it's not just you're working your abs, your legs, or your arms. You're working your full body. Okay. Okay. So let us start. For the first exercise, you'll be on the floor, and we are doing abs. Okay. So it is called the alternate toe touch. Okay. So you just follow him. 3, 2. This is for 30 seconds. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and start. Go. Go. Exhale. Inhale and exhale here. Inhale. Exhale. Try to reach your toes or your ankle if you can't. So even if you're reaching your knees, that's fine. Okay. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Yes. Keep going for 10 more seconds. Okay. For 10. Keep going. This is just the first exercise. Okay. Don't give up on me. Come on, quick. 3, 2, and stop. Okay, quickly get up, quick, and push-ups. Okay, so again you'll be needing to go down on the floor, push-ups. Okay, we'll just take about 5 seconds break in between each exercise. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Push-ups. Okay, maintain a correct form. Look, there's a straight line from his head all the way down to his heels. Okay, straight. And if these push-ups are too hard for you, you can do push-ups on your knees, you can do push-ups on the wall. Okay, we have showed that all on our Instagram page as well, so you can just quickly go there and check. Okay, we are doing it for 30 seconds, right? So this is 23 seconds. You should be like out of breath by now. And stop. Quickly get up, and jog in your place. This is like an active rest, okay? So just jog in your place. Jog in your place. 30 seconds. Breathe, 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 breathe. Okay. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Breathe, breathe. Okay. If you find anything too intense, anything too difficult, so let us know in the comments, okay? And 15 more seconds. 15 more seconds. This is your active rest, okay? Because you'll need this. Because we'll keep increasing the intensity. And stop, okay? That was it. We did 3 exercises, 2 more exercises for the first round to complete. And next is squats, okay? So you'll need a towel in handy because you'll need that. Come on. And squats. Ready? 3, 2, 30 seconds here. And start. Go. Could you just turn this way? Okay? So look, his knees will not go too much, like he's not crossing his toes, okay, his knees, and going low. You can go a bit lower though, low, okay? And his back is also straight and he's looking in the front, he's not looking down, or his back is not hunching, okay? These exercises are no good if you're doing them with wrong posture, okay? Even if you do like 60 squats, but with wrong posture, it's no use. So if you just do like 5 or 10, but do with good form. And give me 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and relax and breathe. And for the last exercise, now we're doing back, so again we'll need to go on the floor. Okay, this is the last exercise for the first round, and then we'll have a 1-minute break. Okay, so quickly down on the floor, back extensions. Okay, working your back, not just your back, like all throughout. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and start. Go. Okay, you'll put all the weight on your stomach and your hips and lift your feet off the floor and your arms off the floor, okay? Even if your thighs off the floor, okay? Don't just be lifting your knees. Full body, full, okay? You should feel it in your back, okay? You should feel it in your back. 15 seconds to go. Exhale. Inhale when down. Exhale. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, okay? Few more seconds. And stop. Okay, way to go. That was your first round complete. If you are with us, yes, you know you did the first round. You just have 4 more rounds to go, okay? So quickly just take a 1-minute break and we'll be right back. Get some water. Don't sit, okay? Keep walking around. Don't sit. Keep walking. Just 1-minute break, okay? Again for the next For the next, you can have some water. For the next round, you'll not be needing anything. But for the other round, you'll require a band and a towel. But even if you don't have that, we'll show you the modifications then. Okay. Okay. Ready? Okay. The first one is staggered squats. Okay. So these, let us start. Just follow along. If you don't know the name, that's fine. And look, he's squatting and then jumping to the other side. Squat and jump. You have done the squats before, so now you know the form. So your form is correct. We're just like trying to increase the intensity. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds and 15 seconds to go. Inhale, exhale, jump. If you don't want to like jump, so you can just like step. He's like doing a slight jump. If you don't want to jump, just do a step. Okay? Exhale. And stop. That was it. Again, you're going down on the mat. You'll be doing abs. Okay? Butterfly crunches. Go. Keep your hands behind your head and then touch your knee. Come on. Start. Exhale and inhale at this point. Exhale, inhale. Really like inhale and bring your abs in. Okay? Exhale. And the most common mistake that people make over here is that they lift their neck. Okay? Don't be lifting your neck. Lift your shoulders off. There is no weight on your neck, so your neck shouldn't hurt. Okay? Few more seconds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And we are done. And quickly move to the next one. We're doing push-up jacks. Okay? So we're doing a push-up with a jumping jack, with a jack, plank jack on the floor. Ready? We're having a 5 second break. Okay? So you can get some water if you want. And let's do push-up jacks. On the floor. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, push-up with, look at this, jump. If you find this difficult, you can't do both together. So you can do the push-up separately and you can do the feet movement separately, okay? Or you can do push-up on your knees, that's all, fine as well, okay? As long as you're working out with us, you're moving, that's great. Okay, few more seconds. And 10 seconds more, okay? This is a pretty intense move, okay? So if you're doing this, that's amazing. And stop, okay? Breathe, quickly get up, we're going to do lunges, okay? Start, 3, 2, 1, and go, quick, lunges. You're going to turn this way so they can see the form, okay? Look, again his knees, they are not crossing your toes, okay? Okay? You're not crossing the toes. And your back is straight, your chest is up, okay? Don't be like hunching. And few more seconds, 15 seconds to go. Okay, there is just one more exercise after this and the second round is also complete, okay? And 3, just one more lunge. And done. Okay, so the last exercise is reverse fly planks. Okay, last exercise of second round. Got this? Come on, go. Reverse fly planks. You'll be going down on the floor again for this. Okay, go. Balance. Try to turn and look up to the ceiling. If you can't do this on your toes, you can go on your knees as well. Okay, that's fine. There's modification available for everything. Okay, so there's no excuse. Come on. Few more seconds. Okay, this is the last exercise of the second round and we have 1 minute break, okay? So don't be stopping right now. 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You should be like totally out of breath, okay? And stop. Okay, so that was it. That was 2 rounds are complete. We just have 3 to go. And quickly take a 1 minute break and we'll be right back, okay? Keep walking around, don't sit. Keep walking around, come on. We just have a minute's break. Just a minute's break. Just enough time for you to catch your breath and get some water, okay? Breathe. Okay, so hope you guys are good. I'm ready to start, right? So we are now moving on to the third round, okay? Again, the third round has 5 exercises each. Exercise is for 30 seconds. Okay, so let us go. Ready? Okay. So we'll be going down on the floor again for this. We're doing a push-up with an arm raise, okay? So let's go. Again 30 seconds, all are just 30 seconds, okay? So don't be missing any repetitions. Start, go, 30 seconds, go. We're doing a push-up with the arm raise. Again, if you find this intense, you can go on your knees, okay? Push up with an arm raise. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. You can go on your knees for this, okay? It's fine. Exhale. Inhale. We just have 5 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Breathe. Now you're going to do lunges with the bands, okay? Quickly get some water if you want. Do lunges with the bands, okay? Without the bands, okay, fine. Just body weight lunges. Ready? 3, 2, 1 and start. We did this earlier, right? So you know the form. So you're not confused with the form now. Just make sure you're not hunching. Keep your back and chest straight, okay? If you find you can't balance yourself, so look at one spot on the floor. So that will help you with your balance. Okay? Breathe, breathe, breathe. 30 seconds, okay? I have my timer here. 30 seconds, come on. Breathe. Breathe. Okay, few more seconds. You should be like struggling to breathe at this point, okay? Because it is a even though it's a short workout, it's a pretty intense one. And stop. That was it. Next is plank toe touch, okay? So second exercise of the third round. Ready? 3, 2, 1 and go. Plank toe touch. Okay, look at it. Yes. In a plank and then touch your toe. You're touching your right hand to your left toe. Okay, it's like an alternate. So this is his right, to his left and left to the right. Okay? You're going in a plank and then downward dog. Plank and downward dog. Few more exercises. Few more seconds. Okay. We just have 5 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 and relax. For the next exercise, you will be requiring bands. If you don't have bands, so just keep like a towel in your hand, okay? So it is back extension with bands. This is a pretty intense workout, okay? Even though it's for all levels, it is intense. Come on. The fourth exercise is back extensions. Again, we're focusing on the back with bands, okay? Struggling to breathe, so should you be, okay? Come on. Back, huh? Bobby? Yeah, okay, ready? Back extension with bands. Back extension with bands, okay? We'll be going down the floor. 3, 2, go and here. Let us know if you can't see it, okay? Okay, if you don't have the band like how he has, you can just like hold a towel or something. Okay? You just need something that you can pull, okay, and work your back with. Again, he's lifting his feet off the floor, okay? This is the fourth exercise of the third round and we just have one more exercise to go, okay? Hope you guys are still with us and still working out with us, okay? And don't give up now, just few more exercises remaining and you're done with today's workout, okay? So you got a good workout on Sunday. We just have 5 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more and relax. Breathe. That is now the last exercise before we get a 1 minute break. Okay, which is half burpees, okay? So you have probably heard of burpees and it's one of the best body weight exercises. It like gets everything. So let's do half burpees. Come on. Half burpees, jump back, forward and jump up, okay? Keep your hands on the floor, jump back, forward and up. 30 seconds. Now look, if you find this difficult and you can't like touch the floor, so you can keep your hands on a chair or on a sofa or anything that you have nearby and do the same exercise, okay? That'll be much easier, so that's fine. And if you get tired with this, you can do that as well. We just have 15 seconds to go. We just have 15 seconds to go and this is your third round. We just have 2 more rounds of 30 seconds to go. And relax, okay? This is the last one. Last one. and relax. And done with 3 rounds, okay? Congratulations, you guys, done with 3 rounds. We just have 2 rounds to go, okay? So there's a 1-minute break. Now quickly get some water, like walk around, okay? And just catch your breath. Just 1 minute, okay? We just have 2 more rounds to go after this. 2 more rounds to go after this. Just 2 more rounds. 4 rounds total. Okay, ready? Okay, so hope you all are nice and ready and all good to go now. Okay, so come on, let's go. 5 exercises, all 30 seconds. Okay, so the first exercise is knee in planks. Okay, ready? Let's go. In a plank, because you love working the abs, and why not get everything while you're there down in a plank. Okay, so in a plank, and make sure that your hands are just like under your shoulders. They're not like far behind, far ahead. Okay. And again, there are some like you keep your hand like this. Make sure you're putting your full palm on the floor, and the weight is in the center of the palm. Okay. Few more seconds. 4, 5. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Ready? Yeah, show them how to do knee push-ups. Come on. 30 seconds. We are not starting the timer now, okay though? Okay? Like you're forming a slant here and then you're going down. Look, he's down on his knees, right? Down and out. Okay, now do the wide grip push-up. Now the wide grip push-up. Okay? Your hands are wide, okay? Like you'll do the same if you're on a plank, but this is a modification. Ready? Come on, few more seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and turn on your back. We're doing flutter kicks. Okay, quick on your back, flutter kicks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and start. Flutter kicks. Okay. Again, look, he's not like hunching his back or his neck or something, okay? You gotta be relaxed here. You're working your abs. Exhale, inhale, okay? Breathe. This is a pretty intense workout, okay? So make sure your form is correct in everything. And you can make it more intense by keeping your hands like this, okay? Because why not? Okay? Few more seconds to go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop. Next, squats again with bands. Okay, so now if you don't have bands with you, you can again use the towel like you did last time. Ready? You just need like something to stretch, something to pull. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Squat. Up. Your knees are like push your butt a little back. Yes. Exhale. This is like a pretty intense workout, a pretty intense move. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze the glutes when you're down and exhale when you're up. We just have 10 seconds to go, okay? You got this, just 10 seconds. Okay? Few more. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. And take a 1 minute break, okay? No, we have one more move to go. Plank, quarter lateral, okay? So you're going down the floor again. Huh? We have one more, right? Plank exercise. Okay, we'll do it for the next one. You can take the break, that's fine. Okay? You can take the break. So take 1 minute break, get some water, breathe, walk around, okay, that's fine. Okay. Breathe. Because we are also struggling to breathe and we are sweating, and so should you, okay? Because this is a pretty intense workout. Ready? Okay, we're going to do the plank quadrilateral, okay? Let's start. Again, it's 30 seconds, okay? Ready? 3, 2, this is your last round, okay? This is the last round. Don't give up on this. Don't stop the workout right now, okay? You have to be with us till we do the cool down. Go. Again, look, his plank is straight. He's not like going up or down. Okay? This is real time, okay? Because he's actually sweating. This is not nothing like fake. He's actually doing the exercise and actually out of breath. Few more seconds. And for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Okay, bicycle crunches. Go on your stomach, go on your back, and you're gonna work your abs again. Okay. And I'm sure you can like sympathize with him, and because you are struggling to breathe as well, and you're sweating for sure. Come on, go. Exhale, exhale. This is all to get stronger and fitter. Okay. You have to work hard to get that health, that body. Come on, that strength. Okay, exhale. You're working your abs right now. We're almost done. We just have 3 exercises to go, okay? Exhale, exhale. Are you doing this with us or not? Come on, are you doing this? And for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, now quickly turn on your stomach, and we're gonna do back extensions with bands, okay? So again, if you don't have bands, so you can just use like a towel or something that you can stretch, okay? Like in elastic. 3, 2, 1, and go. Extension and back. Come on. Exhale. Like we're progressing the move. Like if you remember the first round, we just did this body weight. Okay, now we're adding band. So you have progressed. Okay. Few more seconds. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 more, 3, 4, 3 more. You should be struggling with us. Okay, you should be doing this with us. 2, 1 more, 1 more. Okay, skip the 1 more. Okay, but you don't skip. Okay, do that 1 more. Okay, now just 2 more exercises remaining. Okay, just 2 more exercises remaining. Ready? Come on, get up. Next is mountain climbers. Okay, so you're gonna go down on the floor and bring your knee in. Get some water. That's fine. Get some water. Catch your breath. Okay, let's go. Mountain climbers. Come on. 3, 2, go. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Come on. Again, look, he's forming a straight line here. Okay, make sure that your arms are not like far ahead or back or something. Okay, and the weight is in the center of your palm. Okay. You can make this easy by like avoiding the jump and just bringing your knee in. Okay. For 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And now you just have one more move to go. The last move of today's workout, which is full burpee. Okay. Ready? Last 30 seconds. You got this, right? Come on. 3, 2, 1, and start. All the way down, all the way up, and jump up. Okay, again, if you find this a bit too intense, so you can put your hands on the sofa or chair and then do it, okay? We just have 30 seconds, so you just get like probably 5 to 6 burpees. 15 seconds to go. 15 seconds to go. And just one more burpee. One more burpee. And get up. And you are done with today's workout, okay? That was 5 rounds of 5 exercises in each, and that was a pretty intense workout, okay? So congratulations if you made through the whole workout. It's pretty intense, and way to go, okay? Just take a minute's break, and then we'll cool down and stretch, and then you're done for the day, okay? We worked out everything. We did not skip any major muscle, okay? We did back, chest, we did legs, we did everything, okay? So it was a great intense workout. This will help you build lean muscle. This will help you get stronger, get fitter, increase your strength, your stamina, and everything, okay? So we just have 30 more seconds of break to go, and then we'll do cool down and stretch, because you really need that cool down and stretch out of this intense workout, okay? Stretching. Okay, ready? If you need an extra break, you can just like take 10 seconds more, and okay, let's start. Just follow along, okay? First do downward dog, upward dog. Again, look, his hands are directly under his shoulders, okay? We're just going to hold each for about 10 to 15 seconds. And switch. Child's pose, this is one of my favorite stretches in the class, and everybody loves this pose a lot in the class. We do this so much, like we hold it for 30 seconds, 40 seconds sometimes in the class. And switch. Okay, look, the hand is still under the shoulder, okay? Switch. Switch. Okay, now go on your back. Okay, and you're going to do a bridge. Okay. The weight is on the heels, okay, not on your toes. Make sure that down. Okay. When you're lifting, you gotta squeeze your glutes. Okay, you gotta squeeze your glutes. You're working your back, your chest here. Okay, just stretch, breathe, and your hands are like relaxing down the floor. This is one of the most favorite classes of my gym, like in our gym, which is the body blast workout. We love this workout. Everyone in the class, be it somebody who's 20 years old or 40 years old, this is one of the most loved classes, including that cardio kickboxing that we did last time. Okay, switch. Stretching your back now, okay? Switch. You're going to move to the other side. Make sure you're not like lifting your back off the floor, okay? Keep your back grounded to the floor. Switch. You should be like still struggling to breathe while you're stretching, okay? Switch. And switch. Okay. Just roll your shoulders, breathe, relax, breathe. You are done, you are almost done, okay? Just give me 1 minute. And forward. You should be like covered in sweat. Your shirt like should be fully or full on sweaty, okay? Here, stretch. Switch. Okay, and the last one, just stretch your neck here. Gently, okay? Gently. Switch. And that's it. We are done for today, okay? It was a pretty intense workout. Body Blast, one of my favorite classes to teach, and hope you had a good time. Hope you were working out along with us and you were not just watching this. And if you were this, you know that this was so intense that you will be probably sweating and still struggling to breathe. Give yourself some time, and good luck, and keep doing this workout, okay? And stay fit. Bye. Thank you.